Hey guys, I'm back with another video. So this video is a quick DIY. Sometimes I'll be sitting at home bored, and this time I was looking at my fireplace and I didn't like anything that I had on there. So I wanted to redecorate it, but I didn't want to spend any money. So I literally walked around the house, went in my garage, and found stuff to put together and redecorate my fireplace. So if you want to see how I created this canvas and vase, just keep on watching. So I'm going to go over the vase first. I use cheap containers that I got from Sam's Club. They're old candy dishes that had candy in there. They're really plastic and cheap, so any clear container will work. I used a cheap plant that I got from Walmart. I had these for years. I bought them around $5. So this isn't the exact one, but it's something similar. I use Bling on the roll, which I got from Walmart like $3 a long time ago. You'll need a glue gun and some glue sticks. And I use Gorilla Glue because it dries clear. You want to use the one that says dry clear, because if you use the other one, it'll be foggy and it'll mess it up. And I also got some glitter and metallic spray paint from Walmart. Here I'm just showing you guys these clear plastic containers. So you see they're really cheap, so you can find these almost anywhere. First thing I'm doing is pouring that Gorilla Glue all in the inside of the vase. I want to coat the whole vase so that way the glitter sticks evenly. I'm using a sponge to make sure I spread that glue out. You can use anything to spread the glue out. This is a makeup sponge, and I'm grabbing it with some scissors because I don't want the glue on my hands. Here I'm taking the glitter and pouring it in the vase, and I'm going to shake the vase up. Be careful because this can be messy, so I'm just going to take the top that I had and cover it and then shake it. This is what the vase looks like after I coated it with glue and glitter. Obviously, you can be really creative and decorate the vase however you want, but I'm just going to use the hot glue gun to glue this Bling on a roll, just one thin layer at the top. Here are my plants after I spray paint them with the metallic spray paint. I didn't get a before picture, but the vase was just brown, and then of course the leaves were green. For the last step, I simply just set the plant on top of the vase, and that is it. Now I'm going to show you what I used for the canvas. This is an old picture that I made years ago at a wine and canvas. Tired of looking at it, so I'm going to redo it. Next are some blocks that were in my garage. I don't know what they were originally for, but I decided to use them. So everything else is the same that I used for the vases. Some metallic spray paint, glitter, glue guns, some glue, acrylic jewels I got from Walmart. I did not film spray painting these, but this is the canvas spray painted and these are the black spray painted. Oh, and I decided to use this dollar mirror that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm just going to use a butter knife and pop it out of the case. First, I used the hot glue gun to lay the bling on the border of the canvas, and then I glued down the mirror in the sinks. I didn't know how I wanted to put the blocks on, so I just used some glue sticks and glued them down. I eventually turned them around to where they were shaped like a diamond. And here you see me just cutting out squares of the bling and putting them on top. Then I decided to add some jewels around the mirror. The last thing I decided to do was put glue all over, and here I'm just using the cosmetic wedge to spread that glue out evenly, and I'm just going to dump glitter all over it and shake the glitter off, and then I was done.